Hi guys, you're welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you the easiest way on how to create a bra cup. In my last video I drafted it out, so right here I'm going to teach you how to extend your bra cup to any length you want with a warden in a very easy way. So you want to stay till the end of this tutorial because this is going to be detailed. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Now let's get straight into the tutorial. As you can see, I had already drafted out my patterns in the last video, so now I'm going to teach you how to work on the cups, okay? But firstly, those 2 points which I notched are the bust point on my cup, and now I have 4 pieces here. 2 pieces are the lining, 2 pieces are the main fabric. On the main fabric I added air stay to them, and then on the lining I added paper stay. Now I'm going to take out one piece, that's the main piece, from my cup 2, and then I'm going to take out one piece from my cup 1. Please make sure that you place your patterns on it so that you don't make mistakes. Now you have to make sure that your right side are facing the right side of your fabric. Make sure that those 2 points which you notched are meeting each other, okay? You can see how I'm arranging the patterns back. Just arrange it so that you don't misplace them. Now put the 2 points, those 2 notches together, put them together, and then you use a pin to hold it down on that area. After using a pin to hold it down, you are going to mark out ½ inch with your tape rule. Just mark it all around that area. Now that means you're going to sew with just ½ inch. After sewing yours down like this, the next thing you go ahead to do is to notch that area all around. Just notch it carefully. Don't cut your seam. Just notch it carefully. After knotting, you run another stitch on it so that it doesn't lose. Just run another one. Now you have to get your bust hem. This is a bust hem. I made use of fabric to make mine. You are going to place your cup on it, the cup that you've stitched down. Just place it on it, open up that seam allowance, and go ahead and give it a very good press. Iron it so that it can come out flat. After which I will start working on the other cups and on the lining. Just do the same thing on the other cups and on the lining. Please don't make mistakes. Do it the same way I explained it to you guys, okay? And once that is done, you should have your cup looking like this. This is the lining. You can see how structured this lining looks. This is the other part of the lining. What I'll do is to go and iron this as well. You can see how it look very, very fine. I'll go ahead and give it a very good press. Now moving on, we have to work on the bra cup. Now this is my bra cup. I have opened it and placed it into 2. Now I'm going to measure the length of this bra cup, and I have 6 inches there. I'm going to mark the middle, which is going to be 3 inches. No, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now at the lower part of this bra cup, I'm going to come in by ½ inch, and then I'm just going to create like a dart from that ½ inch, meeting that 3 inches that I marked, which is the middle. And once that is done, this is what you should have. You can see this would help the depth of your bra cup to increase. It's going to make your bra cup very deep. So that is the whole essence of darting your bra cup. Now after giving my bra cup pieces a good press, my fabric a good press, this is what I have. You see, I have not even added anything to it, but it's already having that structure. You can see the inner part, the way I ironed it neatly. And I did the same thing to my lining pieces. Can you see this structure? I did not add any bone in it. You can see how it looks. See how it looks? Look very, very fine. Now let's start working on this bra cup again. We are not done. After darting, this is how it looks. If you notice your bra cup, there's a part that is shorter. If you place it into 2, that short part is your center front, okay? Now I'm going to put this pieces on in my fabric on it. You will see that the higher part of my fabric is the side and the lower part is the center. So now you can see that after putting my bra cup inside the fabric, I had a lot of space there and I didn't want it to be like that. So now I just went ahead to cut this wording, which is about 4 inches wide, and then I'm just placing it at the tip of the bra cup at the upper part, and I'm just sewing it. Just put your bra cup on it by ½ inch, and so it's actually very, very easy, very easy. Now we'll go ahead and cover this bra cup with our fabric. Just place that line on the fabric, place it on that area of the bra cup. Just keep on arranging it like so. Just use a pin. Make sure you use a pin to pin it down carefully. You can see how I'm adjusting mine. Go ahead and adjust yours till it comes out perfect. All you have to do is to adjust, pin till you get it right. Okay, just keep on adjusting it. Now once you're done adjusting it, you just have to take it to your sewing machine and sew it all the way around. So as you can see, I kept on sewing it all the way around till I got to the top. It's very easy, okay? Just adjust, pin, and then you sew. And then you have to trim out the excess wording at the sides. Just trim it out carefully. You can see how cupped this bra cup looks. If you've not watched the cutting tutorial, the drafting tutorial, go ahead and watch it, okay? Because the video is so detailed. Like, I kept on looking at this cup. Oh, it's cute. I know you may be wondering why my own has this kind of shape at the upper part. Yes, that is the shape my client wanted for the neckline of this corset dress I'm making for her. So once that is done, the next thing you have to do is to join it to your bodies, your corset bodies. Just join it neatly, please. Do a neat job. So if this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and comment. Leave a comment in the comment section for me. If you'd like to get more videos, don't forget to leave comments and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Bye. Yes, I also did lace placement on this, and I have a tutorial on that already. Check my shorts. You're going to find it there. Bye.